Yeah, Trout's really hard to get an auto of. He only signs for Topps. He's exclusive to Topps. So if you're looking for Trout autos, you got to remember that. And then you got to find out what products he actually signs for, because he's not real big into autos. So yeah, that's a good one. Okay, National Treasures Division Random number 1. Pop that up there. Grab our names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll get that one out of there. How's that? You probably can't see it though. We'll get that list out of there in just a minute. There, that should be better. There, much better. National Treasures Division Random number 1. There we go. Good luck, everyone. Josh Donaldson, 3 of 25. Nice patch for the Blue Jays. Going to the AL East, that is Steven, QUI. Barry Bonds, jersey, 3 of 49. Going to the Pirates, it's the NL Central, Kevin, PER. There's a nice one. Satchel Paige jersey, 7 of 25 for the Braves. That's the NL East. Ben, JAM. That's a nice card. Don't see too many of those. Steven Souza, silhouette auto jersey, 38 of 49. Going to the Rays. That is the AL East. Another one for Steven, QUI. Here's a nice one. Steven Matz, rookie auto. Nice 3-color patch for the Mets. That's the NL East. Ben, JAM. Wrong New York team. That's a nice hit. Real nice hit, Ben. Mark Grace, treasured material auto, 71 of 99. Is that the Cubs? Yep, Cubs. So the Mark Grace is going to the Cubs. That's the NL Central, Kevin, PER. The Mark Grace auto bat, 71 of 99. Here's a nice hit. Corey Seager, auto jersey, 19 of 49. Going to the Dodgers, NL West, Barry, WOL. Yeah, Ben, I'll show you the page. Another nice hit. Luis Severino. Auto jersey auto patch. 56 of 99 for the Yankees. That's the AL East. Steven, QUI. Nice looking patch. Big old chunk of the Y in there, it looks like. Very nice hit. God, look at this one. Oh. Devin Marrero, rookie auto patch, 48 of 99 for the Red Sox. Another one for the AL East. Steven, QUI. Even getting his Boston hits. Yeah, that Seager's real nice, Jeremy. Our last hit. Can you guys handle this one? I'm not going to show you the front before I open it, because I want to know what's on the inside too. Just as bad as you guys do. Chris Bryant, the quad jersey bat. Numbered 5 of 10 though. Nice. Another one for the Cubs. It's the NL Central, Kevin, PER. Picking up the Chris Bryant quad, 5 of 10. Nice hit, Kevin. Ben, there's that Satchel Paige. That 7 of 25 Satchel Paige. Yeah, no auto. They had some nice autos in that box, though. That box was stacked.